I'm Javin Dr. Aziz Mohammed Khan from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the portfolio development. Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University is well known for its education system for the women. The mission of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University is to empower women through education. The university ultimately seeks to empower its students by opening doors to new opportunities because it is not enough to educate students to make them knowledgeable. So the aim of the Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University is to educate students and to make them aware. It also provides the students opportunities to their related fields. The academic exposure is also provided to students, including co-curricular activities, community development activities, extracurricular activities, value-added services that are known as the portfolio development. What is portfolio development? In Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, every student who has been enrolled to the university is given a chance to understand the areas of interest or the subject area. The career objectives are made in the area of discipline in which the student is studying. To fulfill the university mission, every student has to select portfolio and university concentrates on their portfolio development from the first year itself. There are three categories of portfolio. The first one is corporate portfolio, second one is government portfolio, and the third one is entrepreneur portfolio. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the government portfolio. So government portfolio is one of the activities for increasing skills and enhancing knowledge required to competitive exams for job in government sector. Students who have an interest for job in government departments or organization and in higher education, they register themselves under this portfolio. What is the objective of government portfolio? It is used for acquainting students with various government opportunities for competitive examinations in their own disciplines. It is for preparing students for competitive exams and analytical exams by giving practice questions. So, faculties of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University prepare and they train the students by giving them practicing again for their competitive examinations. The faculties provide competitive questions and the previous questions and the important questions so that students can be prepared for the examination of government related recruitment and students are provided exposure for making them familiar to the work culture and functioning at government organization. So when they will be habitual for the exams by the faculties, then it is easy for the students to complete the examination process and they can qualify easily. Mentoring about various tips and tricks to create competitive exams. So faculties mentor the students that they make aware the students when which exams is coming in the next month or next weeks and what will be the eligibility criteria, what will be the precautions to be made during filling the formation. So all the informations are provided by the faculties to guide the students about application process, exam pattern, schedule of exam related to competitive questions are informed by the faculties and similarly faculties also guide students about choose appropriate study material. List of activities in government portfolio to solve question sample papers of competitive exams required in government jobs and higher education mock test. The soft skills exercises, applying and appearing for government exams, continuous assessment for competitive exams of their respective fields will be done together with the curriculum. It is a sample of sample question of the competitive examination of related subjects. What are the benefits? And the students will be able to fight examinations such as RPSC, AO, supervisor, UPSC, AO, SSC, IBPS, IFS, Indian Forest Service, IPS, and higher education of ICR, GR examination, including JET, Pre, PG, NIAM, BHU, SHUAT, Swami Kesavananda Agriculture University examinations, CAT, MAT, and State Agriculture University, including the JRF and SRF. Similarly, for the food and biotechnology students, GRF, SIRF, food safety inspector, food analyst jobs, and food research analyst, PhD entrance examination, GATE, UGC NET, CSIR NET, quality control examinations, UPSC, RPSC, forest ranger, lab technician, diet lab biologist, and microbiologist posts are also provided to students. List of activities conducted in University Incubation Center. Uh, the activities are conducted include the ice breaking exercise, brainstorming exercises, idea box activities, $1 venture activity, soft skills exercises. The students can register at startupindia.gov.in. What is the registration process? For registration, the students must open the university portal, that is www.jvw.ac.in. Then students must click on the student link and view the student link page. Then there will be four portals for the student login, including curriculum, leave process, my academic profile, and university information system. For the registration, the student click on the my academic profile. So here is the option of student login. After login, the student click on the student login system. This is the page of login where students fill their information. After login, academic exposure is option appears. Students must click on this option, and after clicking three options, corporate portfolio, government portfolio, and entrepreneur portfolio appears. A student must click on any option. So it was a process by which student can log in and register themselves. Now, what university have organized and what is incubation center? Incubation center is developed by the university, and in 2017, incubation center of Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University organized several workshops related to government portfolio, including team building and time management by Dr. K.S. Gupta, Director of KSJ Center for Leadership and Development, Bangalore. PCB designing by Technonext in association with Incubation Center. Similarly, Big Data Hadoop was organized by Technonext in association with Incubation Center. Ocular prosthesis by Mr. Rajendra Kumar Goel, Center for Slide, Jaipur on 1st March 2017. So these are the workshops which were organized in University Incubation Center. So it was introductory part of government portfolio. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss some more videos. Thank you very much.